Warriors, welcome. Melita here. If you're new, welcome, and if you're old, welcome back. So I decided to create this fall inspired look, smoky eyes with some neon orange pigment, and I love how this look turned out. To be honest, it's very beautiful, if I should say so myself. Anyways, before we get into the tutorial, I just want to say, if you're not yet subscribed, please be sure to do, and when you do, hit the notification bell so you're always notified whenever I upload. And please give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and leave me a comment down below. I will catch you all in my next video. Till next time, be safe, stay blessed, and fabulous. I'm just gonna put my tape here, and I'll be going in with the Anastasia Prism palette. I already pulled I already set my lid, and I did that with the Too Faced Multi Sculpting Concealer, and I'll be going into this black. Next, I'll be using this brown right here. And to blend everything out, I'm going to go in with the M505 brush. I'm gonna cut my crease with a white corrector from LA Girl. I'll be going in with this loose pigment that I got from AliExpress a while ago. If I can find the link, I will leave it down below, but I'll be using this bright neon orange right here. I'll be lining my eyes with this CoverGirl liner. I'm gonna be going in with this pair of lashes. These are actually two pair of lashes that I stack up together. For my primer, I'll be going in with this. For moisturizer, I will be going in with this one. For foundation, I'll be going in with the Becca Ultimate Full Coverage Foundation. I haven't used this in a while, and I'm in a shade Sienna. Always like to go over with a damp beauty blender and just push that product in even more. I'm I'm gonna finish up my eyes before I conceal, so I'll go in with a black eyeliner pencil for my under eye. And I'll just go into the black and just smudge two concealer. First the Sephora Brighten Serum Gel, and then the Too Faced Multi Sculptor Concealer. To contour, I'll be going in with the Peel foundation. To set my liquid contour, I will be going in with the Tarte Clay Plate palette, and I'll be using this one right here. To set my entire face, I'll be going in with this Too Faced Born This Way setting powder, and it's in the shade Translucent, Deep Translucent. This is what it looks like. Just dip my brush into it. I will be baking, so I'll be going in with the Sacha Buttercup setting powder to bake with that because it's more yellow. Okay, so I'm back blinding out with my highlight. Anyways, for my lip, I will be going in with this black one from Smashbox, and this is the Smashbox Always On Liquid Lipstick, and I will define my lip with that black eyeliner I used earlier.